Hi everyone. So today we're actually going to show you how you can put in plant counts into MapRice. So this is obviously your agronomist might have come out and told you that he'd done counts and gave you the numbers. Otherwise, you might have gone to get your orange ring or your tape measure and you've gone out and done your counts. Usually you're doing counts in your strong, medium and weak areas. Otherwise, you're looking at NDVI maps and trying to understand the variation and difference in plant numbers for that particular crop. So you will see that I'm in MapRice. I've got Rappel's Farm on the right-hand side and obviously all those green buttons on the left-hand side. So I'm going to scroll down and you will see a button called Scouting, and I'm going to click on that button. And you'll see now that the whole farm with all the paddocks have come up. Paddocks that have actually been put into rice that have been confirmed plantings will actually come up with a crop here that says rice. So what we're going to do is I'm going to choose paddock ward 17, which will bring it in focus a little bit closer. I'm just going to zoom out slightly, and then you'll be able to see that button add scouting item. So if I click that button, and I actually did my count yesterday, so that was on the 12th of December. Then from category perspective, remember MapRice was made for multiple industries. So what we're actually looking for here is just a nothing to report report. So we're going to click that one. Then you do have the ability to specify whether it was across the whole paddock or it was just a section of the paddock or actual points. So if you were in a particular bay and knew exactly where the points were or roughly, you could choose points and then just click and then click again and then click again. So I did 3 counts there. Otherwise, if it was across a certain area, I could draw on the map a bit of an area where I did the count. So I could do it like this, like that. Otherwise, say your agronomist said they did counts, you could potentially just do whole crop and it will come up and highlight the whole paddock. For Ward 17 in particular, I did 3 counts and I know where they were. So I'm going to go back and choose points. And they were in this third bay. We sort of had a weak area here, and then we had a more stronger area here, and then sort of an intermediate area there. So that's those counts. Then in the drop-down box here, you're going to click count. So that's what type of report it is. So it'll be a count. And then amount. So this first count here in the weak area was 40 plants a square metre. Then in the strong area, which was here, it was 250 plants. And then for the very last point, which was around average, was 150 plants a square metre. So once we're happy with that, sorry, I've just got to move myself. We will click the save button up here. So we click save. And it will say scouting item has been added successfully. And you'll now see that there is a report against this particular paddock. And that is how you add in a plant count into MapRice. All right, thanks guys.